Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best magnetic drill machine in 2025. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The Vever Magnetic Drill 1550U is a powerhouse of precision and durability, designed for professionals tackling the toughest jobs. With its 1550 copper motor delivering a steady 500 RPM, this mag drill effortlessly bores through steel and iron structures up to 50 mm thick, thanks to a robust 2,922 lbf 13,000 electromagnetic base that ensures rock-solid stability during operation. The variable 10-speed gears and built-in scale make it ideal for precise drilling, while the corrosion-resistant titanium magnesium alloy frame ensures long-lasting performance. Enhanced safety features, including overload protection and an efficient cooling system, make it both reliable and operator-friendly. Perfect for industries ranging from construction to power plant installation. This drill's ergonomic design and extended cranks ensure comfort and ease of use, even during extended tasks.